and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is Friday, August the 18th, and I'm back with a Walmart video. Yay! I feel like it's been forever since I've done a Walmart video because I'm typically in here like all the time, but Walmart's been a little bit slow this week, but it finally picked back up a little bit. We have some great stuff to be had today. 14 crazy hot deals you can come in here and grab. So a couple of money makers, just some great stuff, a really hot laundry deal. So Walmart is definitely picking back up for the weekend, which I'm totally excited about. So yes, in the description box below, I'll have a link to the printable breakdown. You can print it out, bring it with you in the store if you're on your phone. Make sure you actually watch the video because that's what helps me out and that's where all the details are. But the printable list is a good supplement so you don't have to sit and handwrite everything out unless, of course, you want to, because I know some people do enjoy doing that, which, hey, that's awesome. But yeah, it's available. And then if you're not signed up for any of these great rebate apps, I'll have all my referral codes in the description to go on ahead and join these rebate apps. So definitely do that. All right, guys, that's all I got to say. Let's just dive right into our Walmart deals for today. To start us out, if you still have this Shopkick, I have totally maxed mine out, so I can't do it anymore. But if you guys still have it available, this deal got even better on the Curad self-adherent wrap. So it's $1.97. This is back in the sporting goods department. $1.97. There's an awesome rebate on the Shopkick app for $2.66 back now. That's 665 kicks. Makes it totally free plus a 69-cent moneymaker. So it's such a great deal. Okay, so if your Walmart sells this product, it is a crazy awesome moneymaker. My store does not have it, which interestingly enough, I thought it might have been a regional brand, but I was actually in a local grocery store the other day and they had that brand of like suckers at the register. So I don't know, I just guess Walmart varies by region on this, but it's on the, what are these called? The Chupa Cremosa candies. They're $2.94. Shopkick does have $3.60 back, 900 kicks, making it totally free plus a 66-cent moneymaker. Thank you to Saving with Shay for the heads up on this awesome deal. Okay, so we still have our really nice deal on the Chobani Zero Sugar Yogurts at Walmart. They're $1.22 each, and Ibotta has a $1 rebate. Just keeps resetting, so makes it 22 cents for the yogurt, which is an awesome deal. All right, so I've talked about this one quite a bit, but it did recently change in value, the Airheads Extremes. This is the 3-ounce pack by the registers. They are $1.82. And we have a rebate on Shopkick for $1.48 back, 370 kicks, making these just 34 cents. So not too bad of a deal. We also still have our deal on these Airheads Extreme belts, the 4.5 ounce. These are in the candy, so they're $1.97. Shopkick has that same rebate for 370 kicks back. That is $1.48, making these 49 cents. So really nice deal. Okay, so it looks like my Walmart does not have this particular product, sadly, but it is the Clean Call All-Purpose Cleaner refill. So if your store has the All-Purpose Cleaner one, it is $7.48. There is a $4 rebate available on Ibotta, and if you haven't already done it, there is a $3 manufacturer's rebate through Aisle. I'll have the link in the description. Just click on that, put your phone number in, and they'll text you, and you'll text a photo of your receipt and get $3 back. So just make it 48 cents, which is such a great deal. A really nice deal on these Zoa energy drinks at Walmart. These guys are on a rollback for $1.48. There is a $1 rebate on the Ibotta app, so it just makes it totally, not totally free. I was gonna say totally free, but no, it makes them 48 cents. So it's still an awesome deal. All right, so an awesome deal on this brand of chorizo. Now at my store, this is not with meat or anything. They actually keep it in this like area with cheese, so go figure, but it's $1.64. There is a $1 rebate over on Ibotta for this brand of products, and these qualify, so it just makes it 64 cents, which is a really, really nice price. All right, so our deal for the soft soap got even better if your store carries them. It's the summer scented ones. They're $1.24 each at Walmart, and there's a really, really awesome rebate on Shopkick now for 56 cents back. So that is 140 kicks. So it's going to make them 68 cents. It's actually a really awesome deal. All right, so our Bumblebee tuna deal is still going at Walmart. So these guys are on a rollback for $1. There is a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it 75 cents. There's a really good deal because the great value is 96 cents. Actually, some of them are a little bit more than that. So that's a really nice, oh, these are bigger packs, but besides the point. Nice deal. Okay, so a really, really awesome deal on the Kool-Ace Clear Stool Softener if your Walmart sells it. I never can find this at my Walmart whenever this deal comes around, but thank you to Sisters Saving You Cents for sharing this on their video. So it is $8.48 at Walmart. There was a $4 coupon back in the 7-9 save insert, so if you still have that, use it. You'll pay $4.48. Shopkick has $3.62 back. That is 900. And is it just 905 kicks? So just make it 86 cents. So it's a pretty nice deal for the Kool-Ace, but it has to be the Kool-Ace Clear 20 count. So nice deal. All right, so some really nice deals on the Kinder seasoning over here at Walmart. So they're $1.68 each. We do have a $1.68 back when you buy 2 rebate on Ibotta, so it makes them 84 cents each. And then they also sell these little Kinder's seasoning like mixes. They're $2.16, and there's another rebate for $2.16 back on 2 of those, making them $1.08. So great prices on the Kinder's products at Walmart. Okay, so an awesome laundry deal at Walmart today. This one's kind of involved. There's a manufacturer rebate for spend 30, get back 10 on Tide and Downy. You have to make sure you are buying at least 1 Tide and 1 Downy, which if you do my exact scenario, you will be. So you'll get that gift card back. And then there's also Ibotta rebates. So we got a lot going on. So let me tell you guys the scenario. So buy one of these Downies for $4.97, the 60 load. Ibotta has $1 back, and there's a $1 Ibotta bonus. So it makes that $2.97, but $4.97 towards the spend 30. Then you're going to buy one of the 106 load Downies for $7.97. Ibotta has $2 back, plus there is a $1.50 bonus if you do that one as well. So it's like getting it for $3.50 back, makes that $4.47. You are also going to pick up a Tide Simply detergent for $8.24. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate for this, making it $7.24. You're also going to buy one of the Tide detergents that are $5.44. There is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate for these. And you're going to buy, I think, a Tide Pods for $5.44 and submit the $1.50 rebate for those. So that gets you over the $30. You get the $10 gift card back, and you'll get those Ibotta rebates. And it's just going to end up making it $12 and I believe 56 cents for all that stuff. Or literally $2.51 a piece, which is actually a pretty good deal because this stuff doesn't like get crazy deals all that much. So really great deal at Walmart on the laundry products. Pretty decent deal on the Airwick Vibrant refills at Walmart. So they're $6.98. There is a $4 rebate over on the Ibotta app right now, so it's just going to make it $2.98. So pretty good. All right, guys, that's all I got for our Walmart in-store deals video for today. Definitely be looking at my channel. I'm planning on having an Ibotta haul video up soon, and we'll be talking Walmart even more. So yes, it's going to be great. But yeah, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching.